Hey, boo. Yes. Hey, sis. Rainy fashion. What y'all doing? Uh-huh. Y'all seeing? This is how you do when it's raining. Uh-huh. And you come through. Uh-huh. In the rain. Mwah. Yes. You like this hat? Mm-hmm. You like this hat? Pose for the camera. Let me pose for the kids. At the salon, waiting for my client to dry. I know that's right, honey. Get money, bitch. Yes. I'm about to go in here and get this hair done. I just want to come and talk to y'all for a little minute. I think we might get on Facebook and do the live tonight. Y'all know I ain't been on here. Let the runway kids grace the floor. Yes. Divas to the runway, please. Yes. Ooh, I love them hearts. The colors are beautiful. What you going? Oh, child, in my bed, rubbing my feet together, eating. Ooh, I'm gonna spell out. They would have had a suit. I would have had to sue the city of Atlanta. I don't know what you doing for New Year's. Yes, y'all see the queen. She's pumping through. Uh-huh. Is she pumping through? Is she pumping through? Uh-huh. Yes. I ain't dealing with y'all. Oh, yes, Miss Ball 1. Yes, Ball 1 is cute. I need to come on up there to Charlotte and see what's going on. Hey. Eating some edibles. Okay, I know that's right. Yes, my thing. You're going down. Huh?
What wall are you pressing on?
I know, you see me. I'm over there just pressing. She's cute. Look, get her in there. She's cute. Give her some hearts. I like that scarf she got on. It's cute. Yeah. Periscope.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. It's the new little live thing. But you can do it live on Facebook too now. And go live and talk to the people, interact. Yeah. Yes. Okay. But let me go ahead and get this hat on, y'all. Come through, look at them. Yes, honey. You going? Yeah, you going up? Okay. I'm going up. Thank you. See you later. Yes. Teach, honey. We have to teach. But I'm finna go on in here and get this hair done. And I'll talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all on Facebook live tonight. I'll probably go live tonight. The topic probably will be Bill Cosby. Uh-huh. And how he gonna be in jail. Till he's old and gray. But he already old and gray. Bye, y'all. Stop moving the leg.